Okay, so I have been checking out the COSORI Indoor Grill Smart XL Air Fryer Combo. I like to call it the Air Grill, but it's an 8-in-1 combo. Grill, bake, roast, crisp, dehydrate, broil, and does it even has a smart app. Haven't used it yet for all of these features, but I have to tell you I'm impressed so far with what I've seen. It comes with a basket, which is used more for air frying and things like that, a brush, as well as a grill. And also, that thing in the background is a splatter guard there that probably should have applied here before grilling the chicken. Before you grill anything, you preheat it. It has a preheat function. I'm putting some marinated chicken in there. It's very simple. Close the lid, pick your temperature, pick your function, and just like that, you're all set. You even get the nice grill marks like that on the chicken. Comes out juicy, kind of sears in the flavor and juice. It's really nice. My kids have taken to loving this. We've had air fryers before, but this thing seems to be an air fryer and everything all in one here. Works flawlessly and nice and crisp. It's better than microwaving. Also, you don't need any oil with anything that you do. Tater tots came out wonderfully crispy, really, really nice. And again, I've used an air fryer before, and this thing performs every bit as well as an air fryer and just does all of that and more. Here we are again, properly using the splash guard this time so we don't get the coil all greasy. And let's see here. We're preheated and we're going to try some burgers. So throw them in there. Again, preheated. 4 1/3 pound burgers fit comfortably in there. Again, you give them a flip. You have your grill marks. Works out really nice and easy. Just measure the temperature. I like a medium rare here. And they came out really juicy. Again, seared in the juices. Nice cheese melt. And take a look there. We're going to wash this. I'll show you how it cleans up here in a second after I show you the finished product, which there it is. Like I said, juicy, delicious. You can see nice pink in the center. You can also cook frozen pizza, reheat pizza. Comes out nice and crisp. I'm just impressed by this thing overall. And here we are. It's not recommended to put this in the dishwasher because of the non-stick coating. You don't want to use an abrasive thing, but just look, it's very easy. It just, the debris rinses all off. You're going to want to use a sponge to get into the grooves there, but really it doesn't take much scrubbing at all. It basically just rinsed off, no problem. A little hot water and soap. You don't even need a scrubbing sponge, and there you have it.